Johnny,
He's 26 years old.
26.
He's been with us for tried starting progress.
Komunitas rasa
Now
kuasa.
he is
Hello, all.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Nabi, this is the president. She was very young.
It's a sheep.
Just 100 wheelchairs coming that we will. Sonia, how are you?
Hey. Merry Christmas, Sonia. Merry Christmas. How old? To the team, on behalf of my colleagues, I'd like to thank you once again for agreeing to see us this afternoon. We've come at a time when it's Christmas and it's family reunion time. Sadly, the kids will have to stay. But I just want to comment and thank the staff, each and every one of you for your hard work. First time for me to come to this institution. I've driven past so many times. I didn't realize that when you do that sort of work here. But on behalf of government and all members of the committee, I'd just like to thank you and commend you for your hard work, your commitment, and what you've done for all these kids. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and a bright and equally good New Year. Now we come with nothing but our prayers and good thoughts. This is just a small token of our appreciation for your good work. I'm sure there's some goodies there for the kids. But I'm glad to hear that at least you've got a lot of grant from government. So thank you once again, and we wish you well. I know where you are, I know who to contact. So God bless you all, and have a Merry Christmas and a peaceful New Year.